Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. I'm back, guys. You haven't seen me do a video on this particular company in a while, but it is still going strong. An easy one up, guys, okay? It's a great company, a solid company. This company sells digital products, internet marketing courses, okay, to teach you how to market online, okay? And you can access your products via any smart device, okay, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. All right, but before we get started, guys, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so if you're looking for a way to make some money online, basically online with digital products, this is perfect for you. Easy One Up has been around, oh my goodness, I think since 2016, maybe, something like that. Peter Wolfing is the founder of that program. So it's a great company. You have a back office, you have a website, guys. He does training. He's very active in the Facebook group that he's created. And it's a good program, okay? Great way to make instant, to receive instant payments, okay? And I'm going to show you those levels here in a second, all right? So we're going to switch over, and I'm going to show you that, but I want to show you something that I am using, and I'm relaunching this, okay? I haven't promoted it in a while, but I still get sign-ups from people just from all the content that I have out there all over the place. But I want to relaunch it with postcards, okay? But let's go to the website for Easy One Up real quick, and let's show you the levels and the products, all right? Okay, this is the website that you're going to get, guys, okay? And it has this video that does all the selling and telling for you. Let's show you the levels, okay? You can get started as low as 25 bucks plus an admin fee. They have a $100 level, and it shows you what's included, okay? So all these products is what's included, okay? So all the training you're going to get instantly, okay? Once you pay your sponsor and you pay the admin, you're going to have access to this, okay? So the $100 level, Vertex, the $250, okay? $500 level, Vertex Elite, and Vertex Pro is the $1,000 level, and they have a $2,000 level right here, okay? So I like to focus on, okay? You can join at whatever level, you know, you're comfortable with, but I like to focus on $250, $500, and $1,000, okay, to be honest with you. But what I'm doing with these postcards, and I'm going to use the Vertex lead system. I joined that system around the same time when I joined this program, okay? I'm going to use the Vertex lead system to push this program where it's actually going to be speaking of the $500 level and the $1,000 level, okay? And that way the video, guys, does all the selling and telling for you. You're not going to be explaining this at all, okay? What you're going to do is mail the postcards, and you're going to use the Vertex lead system, okay, because that's what the presentation speaks on. It focuses on the $500 level and the $1,000 level, okay? So it'll do all the selling and telling for you. You have a back office, capture pages, autorespondability, and everything you need in that system is there, okay? So let me show you. Let's go over. I'm going to show you a page I put together for it, okay? Hang on one second. Okay, this is the page that I put together. I need to add, I'm actually going to collect name, phone number, and email because I'm going to mail out the postcard, which I'm going to show you the front of that in a second. But this is going to be the page I'm going to drive people to. I'm going to mail out postcards. I'm going to drive them to this page. They're going to enter their information, and they're going to go to a presentation, okay, that's going to do all the selling and telling for me. Okay, you see how that works? You just drive people there, mail your cards, okay, drive people to the capture page, and then they go to a video that does all the selling and telling for you guys. Okay, so let me show you really quick. Okay, and I want to show the domain because I am setting up a specific domain for the mailings, okay, for this. So let me just show you the front of it. Okay, see right up here, when they get this card in the mail, it says $500 commissions. Want to make multiple $500 commissions to your front door. Okay, and it's a full color postcard, guys. Okay, on the back as well. So that makes sense. So when they see the presentation, it's going to talk about how to make money using the $500 level and the $1,000 level. Okay, so that's what people are going to see, and it's going to follow up with them. Okay, because there's an autoresponder included in the Vertex lead system. Okay, hang on, let's go over there. Okay, I'm in the back office. Okay, members area, as you can see right there. It's my page. There's my picture. Okay, in the Vertex, there's 21 capture pages. I'm a reseller, so I have 6 other pages. You have to be a reseller. You buy the Vertex system for $97 and you pay $50 to be a reseller. Okay, so I have some other special pages back here. Okay, but this has all the sales pages, the capture pages that you need, and the autoresponders included. Okay, so let's just show you one of them. Okay, so when they opt in, okay, they're going to go to whatever page I directed them to go to, and this video is going to come up here in a second. Hang on, there you go. Okay, so they're going to watch this video, and this video is going to focus on the $500 level and the $1,000 level. Okay, so that's all you're going to need to do, guys, is mail this card. Okay, and this system is personalized to you. That's what I like. So your picture will be in there, your name and everything will be in there, and that autoresponder email will go out on your behalf to follow up with your prospects. Okay, so I'm going to relaunch Easy One Up using the Vertex lead system with these postcards. Okay, so if you're interested in making $500, $1,000, even the $250, guys, okay, those are the levels that I would focus on. I mean, 100 is fine, but the big bucks are going to be in the $500 and $1,000 level. Just think about if you only did one a week, that'd be an extra 500. What, $2,000? Okay, if you got one a week, okay, and then you get pass-ups too. So it's not only that you're going to get, you're going to get sales on your behalf, but your team as well. Okay, so this is a great way to do Easy One Up. Promote it with the Vertex lead system. Okay, I'm going to have a page that I put together like this, and I can share that with you, and then you can do the same thing and just drive people here. Let the presentation do all the selling and telling for you, this presentation right here, and you just watch the leads come into your system. Okay, so what I want you to do, guys, is go ahead, click that link below, check it out, go through that funnel, see how this system works, sign up with me in Easy One Up. You can receive your payments any way you want. It's instant pay, so however you want to receive your payments, you can do that. And set that up in your profile. Okay, so check it out. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, I look forward to working with you guys, and I will see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.